How to get views on YouTube faster, for beginners 2021, 7 strategic steps to make money on YouTube. In this video, you are going to learn simple but very effective YouTube strategies on how to get more views on YouTube faster, so that you can make money on YouTube. With the competition on YouTube, it is very common to produce a superb video and fail to get viewers despite all the promotion efforts applied. If you can apply what is called consecutive videos strategy, you will be surprised at the results. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hannington. I am an internet marketer, and I teach you multiple simple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button for more ideas on making money on the internet, step by step. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I publish another educative video. And in the comments write, "I subscribed," to enable me respond to your comment instantly. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of my top money making programs on the internet. And if you have not watched our exclusive series yet, just check down in the description for the playlist link so that you do not miss any step in your journey to make money on YouTube fast. Before I reveal to you the consecutive videos strategy, let me take a moment to remind you of these established facts about YouTube. 1. It is the second most searched engine on the internet. Therefore, doing business on YouTube is a very strategic and profitable move if you want to make money in the internet. 2. You do not need to know so much about YouTube to make money. As long as you know the basics, you can start to make money. 3. You do not need to invest a lot of money as compared to other business which require big investment. 4. You do not need to work for the whole day to get money. 2 to 3 hours a day are enough. Now, in this video, as I said, I teach you how to get more views on YouTube faster by using the consecutive videos strategy. This means uploading a couple of videos about the same topic consecutively to support one another and successfully teach a particular skill or lesson. This compels the viewer to watch another 1 or 2 of your videos. It also compels your viewers to stay on YouTube for a longer period. When you search for a video on YouTube, you always get the searched video and other suggested videos with relatively similar titles. On a computer, suggested videos are on the sides, whereas on a mobile phone, they will appear below the main video. So your struggle should be to appear either for the searched video or for the suggested video. This is a sure way to achieve optimum viewership. So, if you can make consecutive videos, YouTube will make them follow one another to give you more and more views. Now, get the 7 steps to get views on YouTube faster are. Step 1. Identify a popular video in a selected niche. Go to YouTube search, and find 3 good and popular video, easily identified by clicking filter, then sort by view count, and click in the past month. These are the videos trending right now. Find videos with over 100,000 views or so. The purpose of this is to get onto the most immediate suggested videos of the popular videos, which already have tons of people. Study any of these videos and make notes and more research on YouTube, Google, and other places to produce a video or 2 in the same direction. You can be sure so many people will watch your video. Step 2. Create better videos. Do all you can to create better videos than the original popular video. Using the popular video as the foundation, create 2, 3, or 4 better videos. This could be in terms of details, length, or quality of content or images. The purpose of this is to compel your viewers to spend more time on YouTube, particularly on your channel, watching your videos which are better than the original. Because YouTube prioritizes something called watch time when recommending videos. So, since you want people to spend longer time watching your videos, the longer they stay on your channel, the better. In order to hit the target perfectly, watch out for a few tricks. 1. Your videos must be related to that popular video whose example we are emulating. 2. Your videos need to be longer or smarter than the original popular video. 3. Your videos need to be able to keep people watching the video for a longer period. And to achieve this, you need to 4. Put a lot of fast cuts throughout the video, using a vibrant tone or voice, changing camera angle, and keep people interested by promising something at the end of the video. For example, a free PDF, or an ebook. 5. Put a hint about what you are going to talk about, or show at the beginning of the video, to keep people watching in anticipation. 6. Another trick is to show a lot of examples of the skill or subject you are talking about. In fact, this calls for creativity to effectively occupy the mind of the viewers. Step 3. Link up your videos. Link the first video to the next and repeat to the end. And this can be done in a number of ways. 1. You can do this using end screens. Link to another video in the last 20 seconds of your video. This compels viewers to watch the other video immediately after this one. 2. You can also link the videos together using the description of the first video, where you can mention that there are 2 or 3 videos in the series, and make sure you put the link to your second and third video. 3. You can also put a link to the second and third video in the pinned comments section of your first video as well, and make them sticky to the top of your comment section, so that anybody who goes down to look at your comment section will first see the link to those videos. 4. You can also link the videos together by putting a card on the first, second, and third video. This is a link that pops up in the corner of the video as they're watching the video to remind them of part 2 and part 3. Whereas what we have done so far works well to increase watch time, there is another hidden advantage behind it all. This is what we call session time on YouTube. Session time, which is even more profitable than watch time, is how long people spend on YouTube after watching your video. Because YouTube is a business company, if you can keep people on their platform for a long time, they are going to make a lot of money, and therefore, YouTube will reward you with many views. If you have long watch time in each of your videos, all the watch time will be added up to get a super high session time, and all of this watch time is going to be counted on you. These linked videos will link together within the YouTube algorithm, so that your consecutive videos will most often be together near the top of the suggested video feed of your first video. What YouTube normally does is to put these videos, both video number 1 and video 2, in the suggested video feeds of other popular videos of that particular niche on YouTube. Step 4. Make as many videos as you can. If you want to get views on YouTube faster, you have no choice but to make lots and lots of videos. Take a tour on YouTube and see for yourself the numbers of videos the successful channels have uploaded and continue to upload, some daily, others weekly. In any case, more is better. Someone who watches one of your videos will need to watch a few others before they consider subscribing to your channel. So, make many good quality videos to attract more views on your channel. If you want more ideas on making money on the internet, you just need to click subscribe, and click the bell icon, to get more educative videos of a similar nature in future. So, let us continue. Step 5. Engage your subscribers. Involve your subscribers in your YouTube business. Sometimes many people ignore the assets they have. On YouTube, subscribers are very important asset. If you can ask your viewers to do a simple activity that will benefit them, many of them will be willing to respond positively. So, before publishing a video, you could engage them to anticipate what you are bringing on the market. Secondly, the same team can do you a favor and share the video link to their friends and followers on social media. This will bring you a ton of views on the start. Step 6. Manage your video click-through rate, CTR. Make titles and thumbnails that compel viewers to click on your videos. Click-through rate is the percentage of people who click to watch your video after seeing it on YouTube. Your video is just one of the many millions on YouTube. Your duty and challenge is to make your video title and thumbnail stand out as unique, to compel viewers to click and watch it. To increase your CTR, plan your video thumbnail image and wording. Your thumbnail should be different from others. Make sure to have big and bold text of 3 to 4 words. This makes it easy to read even on a mobile phone. Make a thumbnail that stands out, and because of that it will attract a higher CTR than the rest. Step 7. Optimize your videos. Make sure that your videos are well optimized, to have a low competition, high search volume keyword, similar metadata to each other, and is also similar to that original popular video metadata. As often as you can, speak out your keywords and other tags in your videos, and where possible transcribe parts of your script, especially where you need to stress a point. This will help YouTube know what your video is about, so that they can promote it to all the relevant people. If you are wondering what words you need to say or transcribe, look no further, just use the tags of your video, but bring them out to flow in a natural way. For example, in this video I would use phrases like, how to earn money on YouTube, and make money fast. By this point, I hope you realize that our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can for free. So as a token of appreciation, if you have gotten some value in this video, please leave a thumbs up, and subscribe, and also hit the bell, so that you are the first to know when we upload some new educative future videos. Thank you. Now, some work for you to do. As promised, I want to give you one of the top money-making programs on the internet. If you want to realize tangible success in your struggle fast, take action right now. Choose one or both options here. 1. For very special coaching and one-on-one guidance, I recommend you to join the best program I would presently recommend for you. Click the first link in the description. 2. If you still want to learn from me for free as a beginner, watch my free tutorials video series playlist, and bookmark that page. Click the second link in the description. Yes, you can. You can get more views on YouTube faster and make money on YouTube faster using the consecutive videos strategy. Others have done it, and continue doing it. You can do it too, if you put in the effort. Thank you for watching.